Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a summer special recipe which you can serve with rice or even if you want with chapati too, using what I call as our summer superfood, which is nothing other than this humble Lauki or Bottlegourd, also known as Sorakai. A very good food. It's a powerhouse of nutrition in the sense 90 to 92% it is water and some fiber, great for summers, great for weight management, for diabetics, can be given even to small babies and elderly. Now let's see how to make a Morkootu out of this. Try this absolutely delicious summer special Morkootu made with Lauki, Sorakai or Bottlegourd as it is known. Full of health benefits, especially for summer. Wash the Bottlegourd, just trim the edges. Then we'll peel and chop it into small pieces. This is a very tender Lauki, not much seeds in it. If the seeds are mature, then you can discard the seeds. Take a cup of water in a pan, add the peeled and chopped Lauki pieces to it, add required quantity of salt and allow it to cook. Now take about 4 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut in your blender jar. Add 2 green chillis and a spoon of cumin seeds or Jeera to this. Add a little water and grind it into a smooth paste. See, our coconut green chilli paste is ground and ready. We'll keep it aside for now. Next, take about 1 cup of homemade dahi or curd. Add a spoon of rice flour to it. Now whisk it well together till the curd is nice and smooth. See, the vegetable has cooked very well. If you have excess water here, don't throw it. You can drain it out and drink it as a soup. It is very, very healthy. But I have just kept only the correct quantity of water. Now add in this coconut, green chilli and Jeera paste to it. Give it also a good mix. Allow it all to boil together for another 2 minutes. Next, add in a sprig of fresh curry leaves to this. Reduce the flame and add this curd and the rice flour mix to it. Just allow it all to cook together for just 1 minute and you can switch it off. Now for the tempering, it is always preferable to use coconut oil if you have. If you don't have coconut oil, use whatever regular cooking oil you use. Add some mustard seeds and just 1 dry red chilli. Coconut oil gives an awesome flavor to this. Now switch off the Morkootu and pour this tempering on top. Our very healthy, very delicious summer special Bottlegourd, Sorakai or Lauki Morkootu is ready to be served. Thank you for watching the video. Please share it with your family and friends. Keep yourself hydrated and take care in this hot weather. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode. Thank you.